Hey, welcome to Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh. Hey, and this is the quick tips. So you got your lawnmower out for the season and it won't start. So what do? What do we got? What are we looking at? So this is a Craftsman with a Briggs & Stratton Gold engine series on it. 190 cc's, 6.75 foot-pounds gross torque. With a model number 917.370620. So what you want to do, you got your lawnmower out, right? Go ahead and you pulled it over and it doesn't want to start. So what do you do in this situation? Thanks for joining me on this quick tip. Hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, get notified every time I put out a new video. Give me a thumbs up and share the video. That'll help get it out. Let's get at it. What you want to do is find out where your air filter is, and you want to take this cover off. So you can take that off just like that, and underneath here you can see there'll be a little opening, and that's your carburetor. What you want to do is take a little gas, put in there, or if you got a little can of starting fluid, go ahead and spray some in there, just like that, and then go ahead and pull it over. So now if it starts and dies just like that, that means we have a carburetor issue. Well, let's take a little closer look. There is your carburetor behind there. So what you can do is there's a little nut on the bottom there, and you can take that nut off and take this silver bowl right off. So that's a 13 millimeter, and once you loosen that up, all you have to do is unscrew it and that bowl will come right off. So there's what we got inside the bowl. So there's just a little bit of debris and just a little bit of gas was in there. I don't see any water. Water would settle to the bottom. And the gasket looks like we're gonna have to put on a gasket. So right there's that culprit. Now when you take a look at this, this is the 13 millimeter that you took off. This has some holes in it in the top and on the sides, and you want to be able to see all the way through that, which you can't. So what we're going to do is take a piece of wire like a bread tie and stick through these holes right there. Layered wire so that I have other things that I can go thin or thicker with. This one should be good right here. So we're just taking this, putting this wire through there just like that, down through the top. Alright, so now we should be able to see all the way through that. And we can. Alright, so here is your new gasket, and here is your old gasket. You can see the difference. So this is just going to go right on top of there, just like that, and then up in there. So when you do these all the time, it's throw that bowl back up in there, put that nut in there, then go ahead and tighten it back up. So what we did is that little bolt thing, it's called the jet. So go ahead and tighten this back up in there, just like that. Nice and snug. Alright, so if you wanted to, you could take this side cover off. There's 3 5/16, and you just zip those off. It'd be a little easier for you to access, but I've done it 1,000 times, so easy to not take that off and just throw it up in there. So now we're ready for some gas. Alright, we got some gas in there. Let's go ahead and pull it over. Alright, we got that side cover put back on. Let's go ahead and see if we can pull this over. And it's a one-pull start. Hey guys, so these quick tips will get you going. And besides the gasket being broken, you know, that was a little bit of a surprise. So I'll have a item number down below in the description or in the comments that you can get all that stuff with. Well, this is something that you can do at home, and it's very simple to do. Piece of wire and a 13mm. Hey, thanks for joining me on this quick tips. This is Rich's Mowers and Blowers. And we'll see you next time with a quick tip.